Hi everyone, my name is Lukman Mustafa and I'm an art instructor. So, on the demands of so many people around me, I have decided finally to launch the YouTube channel and it's called Vertex 5. So, what is Vertex 5? Vertex means the peak of something, and in this case, that something is going to be drawing in the field of fine arts, and specifically, we are going to be studying drawing. I will teach you from the basics to very advanced skills in the drawing, and that course I am going to teach you or I am going to present that is specifically designed for the people who have never even held a pencil in their hand to draw. So let's just not make this video very lengthy. Let's make this video our first lesson, a very short lesson, and it's very frequently asked question, one of the most frequently asked question: what is drawing and what is sketching? So basically, what is the difference between drawing and sketching? So sketching is an idea in your mind and you quickly draw it on the paper. That's sketching. So what is drawing then? A drawing is a final piece of art that you draw with graphite or charcoal or any drawing mediums. Specifically, I'm just adding here any drawing medium, not colors. If you will use colors in your piece of art, that will be a painting. That's going to be a pastel painting, an oil painting, a watercolor painting. That's not drawing. Drawing is something where you will use only drawing mediums, a piece of paper and charcoal pencils, graphite sticks, pencils, or whatever. That's drawing with all the levels, values, shadows, highlights, and contrast. That's going to be drawing. And on the other hand, as we have mentioned before, sketching is an idea, just an idea, a quick sketch, a quick drawing, not even a quick drawing. It's just a quick, like couple of lines you draw and you form something, a shape or a man or a still life or whatever it is. That's a sketch. Okay, the idea of a drawing is called the sketch, where on the other hand, the drawing itself is the final piece of art. So that's all for today, and I hope this is very helpful to you guys. This is our first video, so I want you guys to please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you can have the future updates in your notifications panel. So thank you very much.